What's up, guys? Welcome to Three Pedal Devils. In today's video we're going to watch Beau and Max install a Walbro 255 fuel pump in Beau's built WRX. We fully rebuilt the engine on Beau's 02 WRX on this channel, so if you haven't seen those videos, go back and check them out. But let's roll the intro and get into it.
Alright, so I'm using a screwdriver with a 1/4-inch drive end to it. In our case, these are real crusty. So I was afraid with the ratchet that I might not be able to feel enough. See, I don't want to break one of these off because I don't want it to put a new tank in it. For me, at least, I can feel a little bit more like what's going on. Let it sit for like an hour. Probably, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, it's probably longer than that.
They're all coming off fairly nice. One thing to mention is we've got the back seat out right now, if you haven't already noticed. Both the bottom and the back side. Doesn't help, my hands are covered in PB Blaster. That one we might actually need a ratchet for. Unless Beau, strongman, wants to give it a shot. Got it? Look at that. What'd I tell you? He's got them body tech arms and hands.
It's baby.
Yeah. I just got those little boy hands still. This part can be kind of difficult. The opening isn't that big. And it's just about like perfect size to get this thing out. So I'm trying to get there's a bracket back here that holds the hose and just kind of bolts over top with the studs. And you got this big fat hose right here.
Tuck those inside.
There we go.
Just a little dongle.
Still caught on that bracket. There we go. And when you're pulling it out, be careful not to bend the float, otherwise your tank won't read, or your level gauge won't read accurately.
Twist it around.
Yeah, figure out which way it wants to come out. Then you use excessive force, I just kind of gently maneuvered it out of there. So now, there's your fuel pump assembly.
Yay! Good job, Max.
So this is a stock fuel pump. There's this little rubber grommet, I guess you'd say. It sits right down in there, so it's kind of like isolated from the metal. This hose connects this hard line here, and then you've got one wiring connection right there that plugs in. It's pretty simple. I took the bottom piece out first so I could kind of move the fuel pump out like that, and then I disconnected the clamp and just in the wire kind of reached behind here and unplugged it and then just pulled on it. It was a little bit not difficult to get out, but it was a little bit stuck in there, but we got it out, so it should be all good. So with the Walbro, it looks like you just pull this whole stock harness out and you just plug this right into there. They give you a new piece of hose to go in place of this one. Sorry, Walbro hit the camera. This length of hose, it's quite a bit longer. We might have to trim it, I don't know, we'll see. Otherwise we'll just slide it way far up on here. Figure out how that works out. They also give you this new rubber isolator that just sticks right in here. Oops, I had it backwards. Like that. 2 hose clamps, probably just reuse the old ones, they look fine. And I like using those spring clamps better than worm gears anyway. And they give you a new sock for the pickup. Alright, we're gonna see how this goes. This hose tight fit, you know what I'm saying?
Toy, like a toiga.
Toy like a toiga.
T-I-T, toy.
T-I-T, dog. Does it take it a excessive amount of force? Good God. I'm starting to think
Jesus, Richard.
Should just use the other one, but you know, if you want to be pro, you do it like this. That's
Alright, got it on there.
So right now the tip of the Walbro is touching the tip of the...
Yeah.
They're touching tips.
Touching tips.
Which is never good, you know. But, I mean, if you're into that sort of thing. We had the pump angled out like this, put the rubber cap in, and then slid it in, because there's no way, with them touching, you couldn't, like, just, like, pop it up in there.
Yeah.
You had to angle it out and then, push it in with this on there already. Yeah, our fuel pump cover looks nasty as hell. But we've got all the studs, or all the nuts back on the studs, and the cover's back on. All the hoses are back on. It's plugged in. Put a little bit of anti-seize on the studs just in case for the future. And now we're gonna see if it works here at Prime.
Good.
Yep. Oh, turn that off. Go ahead. Oh, that thing's nice and loud.
Good?
One more time, yeah. Give it one more. Alright, so we got no leaks. You heard it run. We'll probably start the car once just to make sure we got gas all the way up to the pump, or up to the fuel rail, because we had all the lines disconnected. And yeah, then we'll be done. See ya.